In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme in Obsidian. We'll start right inside the app. Open Obsidian on your computer and make sure the vault you want to customize is loaded. Then look toward the bottom corner of the interface for the gear icon labeled Settings and click it. This opens your preferences where all the visual controls live. In the Settings panel, find the Appearance section in the sidebar and open it. This is the home for visual tweaks, including the overall color scheme and community themes. Don't worry, changing a theme won't touch your notes or structure. It only affects how things look. Within Appearance, go to the Themes tab. This tab shows your current theme along with options to install new ones. If you've previously downloaded a theme file, you'll notice there's an option to open the Themes folder. Clicking that reveals the folder Obsidian uses to store theme files, which is handy if you prefer to manually add or back up themes. If you're not using manual files, you can skip the folder and continue in the app. Next, click Manage. This opens the Community Theme Browser, a built-in catalog of themes created by the community. Here you can quickly explore styles ranging from minimal, high-contrast layouts to colorful, typography-forward designs. At the top of the browser, use the search field to look up a theme by name or keyword. Searching is great when you already have something in mind, like minimal or serif. If you're not sure what you want, simply browse the list. You'll see previews and descriptions to help you gauge how each theme handles headings, lists, callouts, and code blocks. As you browse, think about readability. Look for good contrast, font size that suits your display, and a style that supports how you work, whether that's long-form writing, code-heavy notes, or dashboards. When a theme catches your eye, click on it to open its details page. You'll get a larger preview and more information from the creator so you can confirm it fits your needs. When you're ready, click Install and Use. Obsidian will download the theme and apply it automatically. The change is immediate, so you can see exactly how your workspace transforms. If the theme isn't right, just return to Manage to try another or switch back to the default at any time. You can keep multiple themes installed and change them as your needs or mood evolves. That's all there is to it. With a few clicks, you can refresh your workspace and make Obsidian feel uniquely yours.